As a young boy, the highest mistake you go make is to leave the girl that love you and follow the one that you love. If you are a young boy that is planning or laying foundation about his life, I want you to avoid those girls that you love and accept those ones that love you.
I'm telling you.
Listen to me. If you see a girl that you love and you decide to approach her, you must prove to her that you really love her. You go prove love tire. She go request for iPhone. She go request for wig. She go even request for transport money whenever she want to visit you. But if na girl wey love you, she no go stress you. She no go tell you to buy iPhone for her. She no go tell you to send her transport money whenever she want to visit you.
I
She will work and get all these things for herself. Some of una wey dey watch me now no get any savings from January to December because of girl. Una dey busy, dey prove love to a girl. I no go advise anybody again. Carry the camera, go.